Today we're doing an in-store try-on at the Loft. I love that they offer outfits based on color scheme and capsule wardrobe style. They have sizes extra extra small through extra extra L, 0 to 22, petite and tall. This striped sweater vest is very on trend. I'm showing it in a size medium, full price $59.95. Everything is always on sale here though. This red dress is shown in a size 8. It is full price $94.95. It doesn't have any stretch in the waist, but if you get your true size, you do have a lot of room in it. It is definitely on the conservative side as far as the top and the ruching goes, so it can be worn in a variety of different work environments. I also love that even though it is a shorter dress, Loft never feels too short, so you could definitely get away with this in professional settings. It is also lightweight enough to be layered. This jean jacket is very on trend with Chanel vibes, but it's a definite no because you cannot button or unbutton the buttons. I couldn't even get it open to try it on, so it's definitely not worth it for me. Here is an extremely trendy way to wear this sweater vest. A lot of people are featuring these with nothing underneath, which is really cute for early fall and if you live in milder climates but still want to have that sweater vibe. This is definitely something that you can mix and match with many of the pieces that you're going to find in Loft because of all the colors in the stripes. I really do like the length of it as well. It's not too baggy. You also don't see a lot in the armpit area, so you're not really going to be showing your bra. I believe these jeans are the Fresh Cut Slim Flare jeans. They are also available in curvy. They have a 32-inch inseam. They fit really well. I believe I'm showing a size 29 here. Full price, $89.95. They have minimal gaping and just enough stretch. So if you're looking for a little bit more of a trendy jean, I think this is a fun way to try it because you're not going to sacrifice comfort. These stretch knit tops, I'm showing this one in a size medium, full price $39.95, but again, on average 30% off at any given time. I actually prefer this top in a size small, which I will show you in a few minutes, but even in a medium, it is very loose and comfortable, and I love that you can do a lot of layering with these tops. Here I'm just throwing the sweater vest over so you can get an idea of what that would look like. I'll actually try it on in just a moment, showing you how it fits underneath and giving you an idea of what it would look like underneath many other items, which you could even slide it under dresses or blazers easily. Again, I do prefer these to be more fitted. I think that that's how they are created. Here is that same top but in a size small, and as you can see, it fits so much better. So I would definitely say get your true size because they tuck in a little bit better, but they're still not too clingy and they're not showing too much, especially bra lines. Here are some pants that I just decided to try. They're a wide leg pant and they're actually on sale, showing it in a size 8. Full price $89.95, but really marked down to, I believe, $44. They're okay. They weren't my favorite fit for my body type, but love this top. Here are those same stretch knit tops. I just wanted to show the display: white, burgundy, navy, lighter blue, and I believe they also had a few other lighter shades on sale online. Here I have it paired with this interesting skirt. It's a khaki paperbag style skirt, showing it in a size 8, full price $69.95. It does come in other color options. There is minimal pleating on it, and it is so loose, comfortable, and stretchy. It actually surprised me. I usually don't try on these types of skirts, but I think this would definitely be a closet staple that you could throw on with just a variety of different tops, warmer and cooler. These black full stretch sailor style pants with buttons are so cute and actually comfortable. They really just slip on and you have so much room. I'm showing these in a size medium, full price $79.95. They would be a workplace staple, but yet you could still wear them on the weekends because of how comfortable and stretchy they are. The only caveat is I'm worried about the texture of the fabric and it might pill a little bit if you're not careful with how you wash them. I would say probably on the inside out. Yes and yes to this polka dot flounce skirt. Soft, comfortable, wearable. You could mix and match this with any different type of top, and if you are a pattern mixer, it is perfection. I'm showing it in a size medium, $69.95. I'm also showing this black knit top, but this one is a bit different. It has a collar, which I love. So if you have collar requirements anywhere you go, this is definitely the type of top to pick up. Showing that in a size small at $39.95 full price. Both of these, again, closet staples, perfect for a capsule wardrobe. I always love the Godet and flounce skirts from the Loft. Another basic must-have is this black knit dress. I'm showing it in a size medium, full price $79.95. It is a solid black. That is just the mirror in the store that you see on the thing. It is not a pattern. It is also in a burgundy color that you can get. It also comes in petite and tall. And again, the size range is beautiful. It is so comfortable. I love that this could be worn to work and dressed up a bit, but also you could throw jean jacket and tennis shoes on or a cardigan. Perfection. I'm calling this the perfect work slash teacher dress. It is a true midi dress. It has an elastic waist and some button closure so you can keep it unbuttoned or you can button it up as needed for professional environments. It has a wonderful mix of colors that are really unique but great for fall. Showing it in a size small, full price $110. I would recommend getting your true size in this. I was able to get into a small, but I think a medium might be a bit more comfortable. Here I'm also showing it mixing patterns with my lovely Walmart bag just so you could see what it would look like with a cute tote for work. Love this dress. Last up is this red top. It is a nice cotton stretch knit type of feel. Showing it in a size small, full price $39.95. This is a very different look and much more casual, but definitely comfortable. I would definitely recommend sizing down. Again, I'm showing this in a size small. If you got your true to size, it would definitely be on the baggier side, but really cute if you can wear these types of tops to work especially, but also would be great with jeans on the weekend. Let me know in the comments below if you like these types of in-store try-ons. Hit like and subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you soon.